Space Monkeys, how to play. The object of the game is to be the last player remaining, which is the last player with at least one crystal. Give each player 3 crystals. Based on the player count, use the following cards for the game deck. For 2 to 3 players, use only the cards with the crystal symbol. For 4 to 5 players, use the cards without the crystal symbol. For 6 to 7 players, use all the cards. When you have your game deck, remove the Asteroid and Black Hole cards from it and set them aside. Shuffle the game deck and deal 7 cards face down to each player. Players can look at their cards but should not show others. Now, add the Asteroid and Black Hole cards back into the game deck. Shuffle the deck and place it face down, forming the draw pile. A discard pile will be next to the draw pile. The player who makes the best monkey impression goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you may play as many or as few cards as you want, one at a time. To play a card from your hand, place it face up onto the discard pile, then follow the instructions on the card. To end your turn, you must draw the top card from the draw pile into your hand. Asteroid and Black Hole cards are hazard cards. If you draw an asteroid card, you must discard one of your crystals, no exception. After, if you still have at least one crystal, you're still in the game. Have everyone close their eyes and secretly insert the asteroid card back into the draw pile anywhere you want. If, however, you are left with no more crystals, then you are out of the game. Place the asteroid card face up in front of you and the next player goes. If you draw a black hole card, you must choose one card from your hand to give to each opponent. If you do not have enough cards to give to each opponent, do so until you run out of cards in any order you choose. Then, place the black hole card face up in front of you. Gameplay continues to the next player. All of the other cards are action cards, which are activated when discarded. Their specific actions are written on them for quick reference, but you may refer to the written instructions if you need clarification. The action cards are Plasma Cannon. End your turn without drawing. Then, choose any player to take 2 turns in a row. Play immediately jumps to that player. After that, play continues clockwise from them. If a Plasma Cannon victim plays a Plasma Cannon during any of their turns, then their remaining turns plus 2 additional turns are transferred to the next victim. Cosmic Leap. End your turn without drawing a card. This card only ends one turn. If used in response to a Plasma Cannon, it only ends one of the remaining turns. Galactic Gaze. Peek at the top 3 cards of the draw pile without changing their order. If you play 2 Galactic Gaze at once, you can also secretly reorder the 3 cards. Quantum Split. Keeping the draw pile face down, cut the draw pile anywhere you choose into 2 piles and place the top pile under the bottom pile. Under Thrust Maneuver. End your turn by drawing from the bottom of the draw pile instead of from the top. Force Field. Negate the effect of an action card that was just played. It may not be used to cancel an asteroid or black hole. This card can be played anytime, even during another player's turn. This card can cancel another force field, reactivating the action card that was initially canceled. Orbital Trash. After this card is played, secretly look at the 3 cards directly under this card in the discard pile. Then, take one of them into your hand. Space Raid. Collect matching sets of Space Raid cards to steal random cards from any player. The Monkey Mash Space Raid card matches with any Space Raid cards. If you only have 1 Space Raid, then it does nothing. If you play 2 matching cards, then take 1 random card from any player you choose. If you play 3 matching Space Raid cards, then take 2 random cards from any one player of your choice, or take 1 card from 2 different players of your choice. Crystal Heist. Collect matching sets of Crystal Heist cards to force players to lose their crystals. The Monkey Mash Crystal Heist card matches with any Crystal Heist cards. If you only have one Crystal Heist, then it does nothing. If you play 2 matching cards, then force any player to discard one of their crystals. If you play 3 matching Crystal Heist cards, then steal 1 crystal from any player. Once all but one player have lost all their crystals, then the game ends and the remaining player is the winner.